In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram post to Facebook. So what you can do is go into your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right corner and then go to the three bars at the top right. So from here, you want to go into your account center and then go into sharing across profiles. And from here, you want to choose your Instagram account. So mine's at the bottom. And from here, what you can do, as it shows you here, you're going to share from your Instagram to your Facebook. So it will automatically share what you want to toggle on. So what you can do is just toggle on your Instagram posts. I have everything else here checked on. And what you're going to do is every time you make a post on Instagram, it will automatically share it to your Facebook. And what you can do also is just go back and go to the plus sign at the bottom right. Go ahead and choose something to share. And then go hit next. And then next. And then what you can do from here at the very bottom here is also go on to where it says also share on. You can go ahead and click that. And you can toggle on and off your Facebook as well. So there is two ways to do it. You can go through the settings or you can manually do it every time you make a post on your Instagram. So it's very easy to do. And hopefully you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.